Remember, it is your responsibility to expect this to be a great day. You know, for years, some of the greatest scientists and mathematicians in the world have been trying to uncover what they call the unified field theory, or this one group of equations that described how the whole universe works. Guess what? Yep, I think I found it. My universal field theory of reality, how everything works. Unfortunately, I think most of us, or many people, work against this unified theory, this idea. Hence, there's rampant frustration and discontent and anger and all the other negative emotions that we know to be so common in the human experience. So let me explain to you what I think this theory is. I think that anything of value, and I'm going to give you the law, and you can see if it applies and works in your life, in your past experiences. But I think the law is this. Anything of value has three fundamental parts. Three parts for that thing of value to have been created in your life. One, it's going to take this is the natural order of things. It takes a long time, takes a lot of effort, so let's just contract that to say hard, that's difficult. And three, it requires a lot of investment. Now, investment can be time, money, being comfortable, but it's going to require the exchange of some type of currency. So to make it really easy for the analogy, let's just say that the natural order of things are that they take a long time, they're hard to do, and they cost a lot. But this is the thing. I think that you can get away with just having two of those. So if you want one of those to go away, just be prepared to have the other two very pronounced. So let me give you an example of what I mean by this. If you want something to be inexpensive, then you should expect it to take a long time and be very difficult. If you want something to not be difficult, then you should expect it to cost a lot and take a long time. Or if you want something to be inexpensive, then you should expect it to take a long time and be very difficult. Or did I just repeat myself? You get the idea. The three things, the natural order of things of value. They take time, they take effort, and they cost. Unfortunately, popular culture has us pursuing the three opposite components for reality. They have everybody trained to look for things that are fast, easy, and free. The exact opposite of what I'm now going to say is the law of everything. So caution, be careful when you see yourself running after something that's been, touted to be fast, easy, and free. For that is fundamentally against the laws of nature as I see them. And ask yourself, look across your life and look across your history at things that you have that you perceive to be valuable, whatever they are, things, circumstances, moments, relationships, and see if they had these components. Now, how do we turn this into a tool? Because this is about practical application, right? So if people buy this theory, then I would say look out into the future. Look at your goals. Look at what you're trying to do, who you're trying to become, things you're trying to accomplish. And of the three things, the one that you just don't want to deal with the most, then prepare yourself to deal with the remaining two in a very big way. So if you want something to happen fast, you should gear up right now for it to be very difficult and cost a lot. You get the idea. I'd be curious. Apply this law, the universal law of everything, to your past life and see if it rings true. And if it does, then perhaps you've just been given a tool to navigate your future life. The universal law of everything. Now, as soon as I started to celebrate about my scientific, mathematical, social geniusness, I found an exception that shatters the rule. A smile. A smile is something that comes fast, comes easy, and you can give it away at no cost at all. So I guess I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board. But in the meantime, you expect to have a great day.